Lamka Talk entertaining ting na vegun cibai. Tuni I program ding ina ya kakianga tu heu tunu Glady Vaiphei Hunjan namu le na thiu kaking ta tam tak tina ama kha designer le hiya wana ya lamka muna kha Sincerely Bridal kichi kha ya honhong khedi hiya jingchang ma hong di anung bang leng jingchang program adia kha kisak khol na bang kim man hita wailo na ama kha apasal captain pilot ahia apasal kha captain Govindas Singh Hunjan ahia ama to ama bang leng hei program sang ding hong pai asung kwa no ata te chu Delhi om ta na ge na hei ding kha ken ama to ki sai kon gian chat thei la man kha tuina entertain a chiang zo se ma hon thei na diu na mo ei sao lo ina introduction non nei lai dem
kamin Glady Vaiphei Hunjan Hunjan na hile kapau phungmin na hi Vaiphei chu he sao hi mo ale kapin na ko ling sipai hi ka sailet na tul nom azo school kaina kha CTS class 10 chan ka zo mo azo Bethany higher secondary school tun Bethany college kitita mo je class 12 chan ka bolintin Zizo wa Delhi lama graduation kacaya hi mo tuhin kacate pathum to kapau to Delhi kosa ka hiyo
nang kaya fashion to kisay bang chidana hong lunglut khana hele
fashion chu kaneo pat kalunglut him hemai chu hilele ei neola ya kha to bange designer course ti vel kha ki hello mo professional wazila azole career lag ding ti pen kha khithwil na le umngei loi chu BA bola MA bola he government kham del bol ti vel kha hintin en le sele phale BA chu ala ki chai chu ilele a designing lam zil lo le I hung lung lut a hi ta ka hi le chu ki bol dok zing ai
hi tham mo I tua nang kha ya Sincerely Bridal non chia mo ya kha hon hong khedi hita wai na he mun kha bang khong u thei di mo kwan khong lel ai dia mai ki le bang khong ai dia
bridal iti le so wedding gown a he mo bridal iti phot le so ki chen na mo van mo nu in asil ti na atang pi hi ai so ai le tun ke hi ka main design a hi le white gown te khai so Christian wedding gown ti mai hi ti mo ai la mat le I ak sek ji te ko ai
achile to hei mun kha bang hong hom mu thei dia le
like again ma banga mo pon kha me na hi mo ji ba na bridesmaids anung zui te zui ang ding mo azole flower girl te ang ding tun chu amo nu chaule poi mo talo amo nu le poi mo ta so we call it mother of the bride dress ti de da na mo nu ang ding a hi lo le mo pa nu in le tu lai chu gown ak le tho ta so ji kha anything to do with wedding gown anything to do with dresses or ti de da ni chu
he ti khan nang na design ve khi di he mo I wai hi na nang mia khong na et ton kha khong me ki le ei lam to ki tuak dia ei sing tang mi to ki tuak dia chini chi khon na design a hi
wedding gown to ken ka design hi mo azole ke idea hi mo but ka theme and letin the bride's dream is a theme so ai le mo nu in le adam sunga ni poi mo ni pe na mo ding kha chu aman le adoi dan umai chu amo nu kha priority ki pe zo ai chu ke design sang ale mo amo te ong pha te le amau doi dan kha ki incorporate in tin azole a shape dung zuyo en ki guide in tin mo azole material vel ki at sakin tin azole amau kha hung ni wa a try thei dio amau shape to kilom amau de adang hilele amau shape to kilom ding vel kha ki try in ti kha we work around and in our design
actually he mo pon khamo tuna mi khadina on order ta chini adi idan ta ka design on bo mo aman khawai ni chaw sil di tai chuni khat chaw adang asil khanon khol lo di chawai kha banglo di
see, it's me atamzoi ni khatchao kiti ai chumo. I think that's a very wrong way of thinking. That ni khatchao is the most important day of the bride's life. Zini aka anei fulawa abol fulaw ahi le chumo. She can never repeat that gown. We don't look at the price. We look at what's her desire. We look at how she wants to look at. We never ask how much it is. You know, when we go to the bridal gown in a Western concept, they go to the studio, they go to a showroom, you know, having in mind the kind of gown they want to wear it. The price comes secondary. The first thing is how she wants to look on her day.
Hey, it ham why ni kachi chu why ni
kita azat ding natin
why ni zo lama.
There are different way of using it, like mo pun agong deu mo agong deu ten. So first anniversary le akit thayo mo ahi lo le very sentimental attachment nei ten to achanu ahi lo le atunu ding ale preserve it to. And then like denomination like Catholic te bang to chanu ane le they have baptism robe, they have confirmation dresses ti bang umji akhale altar ki bola le reuse thei mo ahi lo le elam context atu it's a now te mo mo pun aud mama pezo lo te ading ale ki khel sak thei mo zibana big in ale now chaga migen thei ai lo le full time worker te le mo as a charity ale donate thei mo. So there's a lot of uses if you really want to use it. So thinking that it's just one time, why should we spend? I think that's a very, very wrong concept. I think that never comes from the bride. Actually, it comes from the family, or it comes from someone who's going to make the gown. Yes.
Why na hei muna kami na ade idanu khel thei di khong om thei diam.
We don't have anything on rental right now. We want to start with exclusive, limited design where people can come and buy it. But I will not like to say never, because yeah, you never know when things, you know, will shape up, and rental car can ahoy kasak na sumo yen gola me in rena le mo pun na ta aak thei di ule ke le ka doi sakai so. But at the moment we will see how it goes, and then yeah, we'll think about it. It's a very good suggestion. Yes.
Hey, to an address bang le nalma ma mo hey gown hey dan na hey dan di khong ai chak i amo pon se tuan lo mo ai cha ai ki che dan wai ti kha i bang chile i promote thi dia biakin khonga ikile bak thil tom te bang mo
i en gown iti pad le mo a society tilen i het da gown iti hi le wedding gown ma ilung thi ma hong tin gown can be anything. It can be academy gown, it can be say reception gown, it can be like a pre-bridal shoot gown, and tu lai so maternity gown bang umata so mo now nei di te bang so gown nung akata so gown can be anything. We not in Delhi there was a time when we used to do only wedding gown. Now the demand is so much that we even do prom dresses, school to class 12 azo tia mo amao khan dress ele doyet out western mo azo le kagen ma banga any party, any formal party, evening party ve la khatulai thil dang sang ale gown kha kithang mama ai so je kha I think we're doing good. Yeah.
Delhi kha I lo ching hun tok in kon thea mo I wai chang ina to heila ma kha hon kieng lian I chi di mo helma brand song nei non ta na hina nang mu da ni na Delhi pan hon en sukin hei muna market to ki sai khong bang china nang nangai to dan hen khan mo hoi hun tok thodin naging ta he I long
Lamka khamo it's a very fast growing town, and when it comes to fashion we're not behind. We're really catching up, even international markets more. And Lamka brides are very beautiful. Yeah, Lamka market he can do first and foremost I'm not here just to make profit. I'm not here just to run a successful business here. But for me, it's my birthplace, and it is where I grew up. There's a lot of memories, sweet memories of this town. And then I feel, why not go back to my root and start something where people don't know yet. Like if you look at the whole designing or the whole setup over here, it doesn't look like a showroom opening. It looked more like a celebration. So I'm coming back to celebrate my life. I'm coming back to celebrate my achievement, and I want people to admire what the Lord has been doing for the past 22 years through this business.
Hội loa, ngoài hiện nay hay riêng chăng ở khai ạ, Hunjan là đi tổ cái say, nếu chỉ highlight chỉ em món na tụt đan tàng bị bằng chỉ bằng không ai giật tổ thì sớm này lệ. Riêng chăng program tổ cái say.
Okay. Lama mo tu kalagyan ta sa gola media dangale lama to inauguration program hi han lang wedding reception hi lang anything ka it's kind of similar nang le heading lahi mo like we have the pastor or someone opening cutting ribbon and then followed by prayer song and sitting very formal ti deu da nai to lama ka mo ken to opening prayer ho pau samna kha to hong khin ta kai to dik ta ka to mo we already opened the door with prayer, but tomorrow is going to be like inaugural celebration more. That means we will have fashion show set hilolele. Some of our design will be showcased by model. They'll walk down this little aisle we made over here. Kutile mi kan inauguration to kita nak ka creation le muthei di way to. So that is, I don't think anybody have done just like that on the opening program. And then secondly, I feel like I've already invited my family on the prayer ceremony. Near and dear one, loved one, everybody was there. But tomorrow, I really want the celebrity of Lamka like you, well-known faces, and then the VVIPs, and I want them to come and just attend my program. So more like the crowd, or more like the citizen of Lamka or Surachandpur. I'm expecting them tomorrow.
Hey. Hội lợt quay trang là hay khá không phải tàu diệt đi, mua mà bạn là lấy trả ông tàu đi na năng bằng lấy toa na company chỉ điểm mua ya Sincerely Bridal khai hay muốn hòn hồng tàu ta xem tu bằng liên này đi, quay na mi bằng giải hay mà để khá neng muna pia hinon pa
tu le mo ka hon ma pa da le mo I'm really paying whatever you see, without money you can't do anything, right? So already Lamka, I feel, is benefiting, generating employment. Obviously, if anything come, any showroom come up or any institution or offices, workers are needed. So yes, it's a place where young girls, especially young girls, can come, work experience, work culture, and then we're trying to do as professional as possible, which means even the paycheck has to go through the bank. We're not paying them with cash. We're going to teach them how to be responsible as an earner, responsible how to pay tax. And so it's not just employing them. I think we're creating awareness even for them to be professional in their earning. Yes.
Actually, asem tu di Hong Kong, lakinta na here. Lakinta mo asem tu di tu.
Yes.
Okay. Why na maban banga mo yung to din na design di kung ay kile til tuam na nga pa na sinud bang may ti mo training ti kung wai ti kung bang na ti
so manufacturing unit ka to Delhi jing ding hi mo azi to ikipat to ngai til tampi ibol ko mahile sa mo ji may hong set up hile anom po ji ka to tule to akui na cutting hin the whole production unit Delhi nalay nang katintin mo hilele ahunong chize la to Lamka ki set up le to Lamka te Surachandpur area te hi athima ki team thei so je ka maybe that will be in the future to set up our own factory over here so that we can even cater to Delhi rather than having a workplace over there. It can be the other way around also. Manufacture over here and move to Delhi. Yeah.
Hey lamala koi na tiang wa in mun na ni kya
in Munzu, so that's why I feel like I have come back after like 29 years. So the first thing we did actually before setting up this showroom is we bought our own farmhouse in a village called Songsibok, which is just above Tuolnom village, because I'm from Tuolnom, so it's just above that. FCI go down apatle asak dewo gamna little hearts farm katiwo mo kyo ma private farmhouse kaseta bozi ka kong cheng leji katun sekwecho. So it's like a summer home come a family recreation center.
Ibang achian ay tati khong na pasal ti khong ni lam no ma sathu
no satalu intin atang le spoil khak dile lawum I gam no manom sa hi
I thamma I no ma I foilo ina hi toa I bridal sincerely bridal to kisaya mo I banga nang mipite entute thei dia ngen bi ut tom lai tin ngen thei diam
Sincerely Bridal ticho a work lammo a hilaway
market lamia kile nang kup nop mi pite thei di banga hoina sak bangom le mo
mi pite thei di at kadoi chu igam isa in mi hoi tak thil hung paluta mo a business chum I hung start phat a hile mo banghem encourage bola azole like ikam chu ihet banga business bangol ni hung ki set up dele banga civil life bela social life bela mo hoi taka mo na lo le chu business le bangolin lung tuk le hi thei lo chu ji bana ilam ka khang tau di doi lo ku ma ki lo chu khang tau ding I doi le chu khang tau na step te khamo I pat u azole igen khomo I hap na te ho le mo ki address kom like electricity mo electricity lo le chu restaurant bol te bang chu athil store te semai chu like kyo bang chu bridal gown ke hi ji ko lai dam lo chu khomia la chu gown ki try thei lo chu I azole AC bang lo le mo hi thei lo chu and then kagien gol thil thak hum pate encourage bola adang abana iti to hi le lam kai I vet o I pang khom hi le hang to dinga hi je azole when it comes to my business I pray that all the bride to be please come and check it out don't worry about the budget we're not so strict on our price means we can create according to their budget so don't be afraid that well they may be expensive may not be affordable for me or whatever just we will make you feel home we'll make you feel good right here we're here to solve your problem and then I promise we will do our best to care for our bride to be and also we will look after your gown after sales service yes
I houlimna tom na pending na entertain le athei udin king ta hei toanon gien cheta mo mo puan bang khaun lady ta hile aman tom pen chini lam te ki don tan le aman tom pen bang tan hong ki mu thei dia chi mo wa tunglam chu gen dani mo bang tan budget tan khong ina aki ginta thi dia price tag mo he
delia chu mo ka khui tang pi te kha 18,000 to 95,000 ka te chu ilele in lama khamo ken neu khat ka twist u te chu in lama chu you bring your budget I will work on that budget kati u te chu aku ti lawa hile en a price tag bak mol mong le hen le mo dan khat to le a le zo lo win kitai pi lele ei mo ki mai dingai chu min church ki cheng u ta gown a u ta mo en amau adi ibol do thelo le chu mo there's a problem so I feel that they should come up because designer house a chu mo the client come and say hey this is my budget this is how I want it how do we create gown in my budget ti very comfortable is on he theme khuti lo la hung lu diu en iman gen mok le mo amawa to akitok thelo le kha hi thelo so in Sincerely Bridal we try to create a gown that's affordable and also whatever you're thinking in your mind will create that gown
yes toa how to know Glady non gen khai thei dinga hi Sincerely Bridal kha Hmar venga omahia ya petrol pump opposite building in tung second floor here pai to ten le mu pa thei di signboard bang le lian taka kitag di emun kha bazwanun la to again banga a price khong bang za man di aman tam di o chi te hiloina nang nakingap za heiza ina on hi sagin heiza ina on pan pi in ai ya kirwai dan na hiule ama kha chi lai piwa ready hi chi kham
ni online ale na hong ut lo mo no la sak lo le you can chat me on WhatsApp, send me messages, send me your picture, and then I'm always available on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and then ka phone number le just type Glady Vaiphei Hunjan on Google, it's everywhere, so it's easy to find out.
Itu again te ithei dinga hiai mun kha jing chiang September somni lelia ki hongkhia di hita wahina jing somni lelia pana function hoi taka pai to ta dia here.
Also we have, I forgot to mention, we have inaugural discount. The spot booking we give 25% discount tomorrow. So it's a good news.
Jing chia mo.
Jing chia, yes.
24 nia kha discount om di chi hilai zo mai na ham phathoi ma mo khai thei dinga copy mai na mun khawazwani na bang design na bol khia chi te wa cha nang design to ama te bang chi banga gom khoma nal taka kitien ni hun zat dia chi te kha ama to ki kup thei ge de hi chi tengi kum dinga dunia houlimna he teng hun sak dinga copy mai na mun kha bazwan din athakinai ki chiala hi teng hun sak di ki pake.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Okay.